Learn this, and your life will change forever. This may be one of the most important videos I've done. And we apologize for the sound quality. We're out in nature right now. And hey, it's windy. You can see by the sky we have a storm coming. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. We're here to empower your life. But look, let's talk about the law of attraction right now. Every thought, every idea is permanent because thoughts are energy, and energy never dies. So keep that in mind, that every thought that you think is absolutely permanent. And think about this for a moment. What about the thoughts of people that have gone before you? Where do you think they're at? Well, there's kind of a matrix of thoughts. And great people have claimed to be able to tap in to that matrix of thoughts, of other great thoughts from other great people who have lived in the past. Who do you know that's lived in the past, that created something wonderful, created something magnificent, did something absolutely astounding that you are impressed by, that you would like to learn from? And even though they're gone now, even though they no longer exist, think about this. Their thoughts are still present. Their mind, their energy is still present. There's a new study that just came out from New York University. They studied over 2,500 people who died, whose heart stopped, whose brain stopped functioning. And guess what? These people were able to give accounts of what happened. And the doctors and scientists concluded that while the brain may die, the body may die, the mind does not die. So think about that. Mystics have known that for thousands of years. Shamans have known that. Priests have known that. The mind, the soul does not die. So the very mind, the very soul of great people who have done incredible manifesting, who have lived before you, they're available to you right now. You have the availability to go within yourself and connect with these incredible individuals in a way that is almost astonishing. Here's the secret. And again, I can't overemphasize the importance of this video. So if you don't quite get it, watch it over and over and over again. Concentration is the key. Your ability to concentrate on someone who created something spectacular, who lived before you, who you could learn from. Concentrating on this individual, connecting with this individual in your mind, in your imagination for a period of time. Now, here's what happens. At first, it seems like your imagination, and it is. It seems like your ego. But as you go deeper and deeper, and as you begin to connect more and more and more with this individual, maybe it's Martin Luther King, maybe it's Mahatma Gandhi, maybe it's Walt Disney, maybe it's Colonel Sanders, maybe it's John Kennedy. But whoever it is, you connect with this individual over and over and over. I recommend for 28 days, every single night. And guess what happens? All of a sudden, it's not your ego. It's not your imagination. All of a sudden, something remarkable happens. Something spectacular happens. You connect with the actual mind of that individual. All of a sudden, they're saying things that you never thought of. They're suggesting things that you never came into your mind. They're even debating with you and perhaps slightly arguing with you and suggesting that maybe some of the habits or ideas that you have are not effective for you. They become somebody that an energy, a force that you can connect your thoughts, your desires, your energy to. And so what happens is like thoughts attract like thoughts, according to all the ancient mystery traditions and according to people like William Walker Atkinson. Like thoughts. So as you think these like thoughts, you attract that individual and his or her thoughts into your energy sphere. And you begin to connect at a level that you never imagined possible. And all of a sudden, secrets that I can't teach you, that nobody on YouTube can teach you, that are not printed in any book, become available to you. And this is what has happened. This is what one of the secrets that Andrew Carnegie had. Andrew Carnegie used to regularly communicate with great manifestors and industrialists who went before him. Others have done that. General George Patton, Ronald Reagan, and of course, Solomon himself. I mean, it's a technique that people who have power, people who are rich, people who have manifested seem to have figured out. And other people, they laugh about it. They think it's funny. But I know you don't think it's funny because you are going to soar high like a big, beautiful eagle. And you're going to begin connecting through the power of concentration, the power of your mind, each and every night for 28 days. For 28 days, you're going to connect every night with one individual. You're going to read about this individual. Perhaps you're going to have a picture of this individual that you're going to have in your mind. And you're going to sit down in an imaginary boardroom with this individual. Or perhaps at a Starbucks or some other little place in your mind. And you're going to talk. And you're going to listen. And it's going to seem stupid. But something is going to click for you very, very fast. And your life is going to change. You're going to unleash and awaken a hidden power because thoughts never die. Thoughts transform. And the thoughts of the past, of somebody successful in the past, can transform into your life right now. Have an incredible day because you absolutely deserve it. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.